PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Oh, did it bounce up slightly after skimming the table? It looked like it was contact point was around 1 o'clock. Oh. This kind of brushing might have confused your mind a bit. Right, but I think you should let it fall naturally, then lift slightly. This brushing action is very effective. I still guide the racket near the ear, but because my swing is relaxed, there's time as the ball drops. Also, when you want to brush, contact point is slightly lower, right? Because of the softness, the ball should use that time well in the air. Just let it fall, then lift it quickly. Still toss near the ear and lift, right? Even the hidden brush, still toss near the ear and lift. You can serve it like backspin, pure backspin. Backspin. Brush serve. So I have one like this. Backspin goes straight down. Topspin lift every time I toss the ball. I relax and guide the racket near the ear. Then I serve slightly above the ball. That's clearly a side top or side serve. At most, I add a bit of slicing. Then I quickly drop the racket down. When it's about the same height as the ball, can't I do a brushing serve? Either normal or hidden then brushing. I can lift it. So what does it mean to chop side top directly? It's just slicing the very side top directly. For side backspin, I slice from this spot. Chop against the spin. Both long chops work. So both are okay. Let me see a long chop. It clearly shows effort. Yes. That one's against the spin. This one's with the spin. Yes, you're moving this way and I follow through this way. Keep adding force. Now one against the spin. Yes. This one is clearly against. Yes. Feels like it's being brushed in. Yes. The ball spins this way. And you brush it this way. Right. That's chopping against. I go against your motion. Haha. This one's against. Yes. That one's with the spin. One more. Yes. This way is a bit harder. Yes, this way is clearly easy. Don't move anything. At the end here, be quicker. Yes. Slower, shorter, see? You need this variation. Yes. Again, slow and short. Short and high again. Yes. Long and high. Yes. Right. Yes. Brush it a little when pulling. Yes. Pull with the curve. Yes. Slightly on the inner side. What does that show? It shows that when I contact the ball, I'm adjusting and varying my touch. There are two benefits to that. When different balls come, I can adjust to them. I can adapt. Secondly, I can proactively create variation. If all your balls, every ball is like this. Yes. First, if the ball changes, what will you do? Second, what if you want to create variation? Think about this. Don't move anything. At the end here, be quicker. Slower, shorter look. You need this variation. Yes. Again, slow and short. Long and high again. Yes, long and low. Yes, right, yes. Brush it a little when pulling. Pull with the curve. Yes. Slightly on the inner side. What does that show? Yes, it shows that when I contact the ball, I'm adjusting and creating variation. Yes, there are two benefits to having adjustment and variation. When different balls come, I can adjust to them. I can adapt. Secondly, I can proactively create variation. If all your balls, every shot is like this. Yes. Every shot is like this. It's okay, sure. Yes. But if the ball changes, what will you do? And if you want to change the ball, what then? Yes. Did it naturally fake him out a little? Did your right leg brace outward a bit? Look, just a little lift. Yes. Then the shot goes down the line. When I hit normally, I move like this. The right foot steps slightly to the side. Shift half a step to the side. Yes, yes. And the shot goes out. The hand stays the same. The hand doesn't change, but does the hand stays the same. The center of gravity shifts. Now it's a down the line shot. Now here, look at this. Yes, yes. The whole body bend. Eventually the left foot ends up aligned with the left side. Did I push the ball out? Pretty obvious, right? Yeah, and this side. You can't loop like that here. Yes, yes. There's a bit of straight. So what do you do with the right leg? Yes, yes. Again, did it naturally fake? Did your right leg brace outward a bit? Look, just a little lift. Yes, yes. And the shot goes down the line.
哦，是不是按拱到台子上砰冒了一下，眼看就起来了，就是1点钟方向接触球。哦，这种拱，你可能有点脑筋急转弯了，对吧？但是我觉得你把它顺势落下来，提一下这个拱很好发，对吧？我还是引到耳朵根，但是由于我引拍放松，球落下来是有时间的，而且本身你要发拱的，你就是击球点会略低一点，对吧？那你它落下来时间也长，你正好利用这个时间，哎，把它放下来，一放下来，嘚儿一起，啊，还是抛到耳根，一起，对吧？包括按拱还是抛到耳根，一起，对吧？可以发下旋一样的，下旋，下旋，拱它。然后我有一个，
也就是下旋是直接下来，上旋是。
对呀，我反正每个球在抛的同时，这样就松着引到耳朵边，然后我比球略高一点。直接发那肯定是侧上侧下，对吧？最多加一个铲的。好，等到我迅速的把板掉下来呢，跟球差不多高呢，我是不是就可以发拱的或者按拱了？哎，我可以提它了。
就直接砍这个侧上是什么意思？
啊，
直接
砍这个侧上很简单，我发侧下我是切这个位置，发侧上是切这个位置。
哦，那劈长呢？顺着劈逆着旋转劈啊？
劈长都可以啊，
也都可以吗？
你看看，劈长更多的是摆明了用力。
这个是逆
顺旋转，顺着的，顺着的。你看，你往这儿走，我顺着你动，继续加把劲儿，再来个逆的。这明显是逆的，有点拉过来的感觉。
这个球往这边转，你往这边拿。
对，对呀，这不是逆着了吗？我逆着你走，这是逆着，这是顺着，再来一个。
啊，
这样难一点，这样肯定容易，哪儿都不动，我最后这样，快点，慢点，短点，让它，你得有这个变化。又慢了，短了，高了啊，又短又高，啊，又长又高。又长又低，对吧？哎，抹着点拉，啊，你看，拐着点拉，内侧一点，说明什么？说明我手接触球的时候，我是有调节、有变化。那有调节、有变化有两个好处：一，应变。哎，不同的球过来，我能调节它，我能应变；第二，我能有主动变化。你说你所有的球，你是动作很漂亮，你发啊。什么球都这个，什么球都这个，是挺好的。第一个，一旦球有变化了，你怎么办？第二个，你想有变化了怎么办？考虑这个问题，哪儿都不动，我最后这样，快点，慢点，短点，让它，你得有这个变化。又慢了，短了，高了啊，又短又高，啊，又长又高，又长又低，对吧？哎，抹着点拉，啊，你看，拐着点拉，内侧一点，说明什么？说明我手接触球的时候，我是有调节、有变化。那有调节、有变化有两个好处：一，应变。哎，不同的球过来，我能调节它，我能应变；第二，我能有主动变化。 你说你所有的球，你是动作很漂亮，你发挥，啊，什么球都这个，什么球都这个，是挺好的。第一个，一旦球有变化了，你怎么办？第二个，你想有变化了怎么办？考虑这个问题。右腿，是不是自然有点晃它了？是不是右腿往这儿撑着一点？你看，垫，直线就出去了。我正常重心这么走，右脚就往旁边插一点，往旁边过去半步，一点点，这样就出去了。手不变，手上不变，重心变；手上不变，重心变，直线了，对吧？这儿呢，你看我这是，整个人啪，是不是最终左脚要和左胯是不是把球顶出去了？明显吧？对吧？那边呢，你就不能这么拉了，有点憋着，对吧？怎么办？右腿，是不是自然有点晃它了？是不是右腿往这儿撑着一点？你看，垫，直线就出去了。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.